Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to fix Telegram's connecting problem. If you're experiencing issues with Telegram not connecting or having trouble establishing a stable connection, we have some troubleshooting steps that can help resolve the problem. So let's dive right into it. Step 1. First and foremost, ensure that you have a strong and stable internet connection. Check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection to make sure it's working properly. Step 2. If the connecting problem persists, try deleting Telegram's data and cache on your device. This can help resolve any temporary issues or corrupted data. After deleting, re-sign into your Telegram account. Step 3. Ensure that you have the latest version of Telegram installed on your device. Outdated versions may have compatibility issues or bugs that can cause connecting problems. Go to your App Store and update Telegram to the latest version available. Step 4. If the problem still persists, try logging out of your Telegram account and then logging back in. Sometimes a partial account restriction can cause connecting issues. Logging out and logging in again can refresh the connection and resolve the problem. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Telegram's connecting problem, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted messaging experience. Thank you for watching and enjoy seamless connectivity with Telegram.